Maintaining your garage door in Panama City, Florida means annual servicing is essential due to coastal humidity and salt air that accelerate wear. Daily use causes parts like springs and cables to weaken. Regular maintenance keeps your door safe and reliable. Annual service includes lubrication, spring tension checks, cable inspection, and alignment testing for smooth operation. Coastal conditions often demand biannual checks to catch rust or corrosion early. If your door opens unevenly or makes loud noises, call a professional immediately to prevent further damage. DIY tasks like cleaning tracks and checking for rust help, but leave spring and cable work to experts. Timely repairs protect your home, enhance security, and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Schedule professional service today to ensure your garage door stays dependable in Panama City's climate.